Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You want the Windows key working right away, so start by confirming your keyboard is connected and recognized in Settings devices. Once done, check for a physical FN or Windows lock on your keyboard and toggle it off because many laptops disable the key by default. Then test the key. Press Windows or Windows plus I to open Settings. If it responds, you're set. If not, keep going to adjust drivers and system key settings so the OS can receive the input. Now you'll troubleshoot deeper. Update or reinstall your keyboard driver via Device Manager because a bad driver blocks the Windows key. Once updated, run Windows Update to ensure chipset and input drivers are current, which often resolves missing key input. If software still intercepts the key, check common utilities like gaming overlays or remappers. If you must edit the registry, open Regedit and check scancode map. Back up the registry first and only change values if you know what they do. Finish by rebooting to apply driver, registry, or settings changes because many fixes only take effect after a restart. If the key still misbehaves, open Task Manager and disable startup apps one by one. Some utilities capture the Windows key. Make sure to test with another keyboard to rule out hardware failure. And if all else fails, perform a system restore to a point when it worked. This can undo problematic software changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.